Hi, and thank you for watching this video. Myself Anand. Today our topic is all about joins in SQL. So we have four joins here. So these are the joins we are going to learn today. Inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. So as the name suggests, inner join is all about. So before getting into that, I'll show the diagrammatic view. Okay. So yeah, this is how joins work in SQL. So if we have two tables, I'll be taking with the example of two tables. For example, if you have two tables here, so one which is in left side and one is in right side. So as the table will be having a primary key. So if the left table have a primary key, which is used as a foreign key in right table. So based on that, I will be able to connect two tables. Okay. So once we are connecting two tables, then we have some common entries into both tables. So, what we'll say in inner join, okay, I'll start with the left join itself. So, for the left join thing, what we'll do here is the common entries will be there, but as a whole, we'll be considering as a left join alone. So, the table entries for the left join alone will be shown. The things which are in the right join will be shown. I mean, purely of right join. So that thing will be shown here. Only the left joint entries will be shown. Same like for the right joint, right table entries alone will be shown. So even if it is present in the left table, it will show the output of right table alone. Okay, so if you get into a inner join, if you connected two tables with the primary key and foreign key of the right table, so like both are the same. So we can able to connect two tables using the primary key. So once connecting it, so we'll have some common entries. So those common entries alone will be shown as in a join. So then we'll get into full join. Full join will be shown entire table after after connecting with the keys of tables. So after connecting it, so entire output will be shown. So even if it has a well, for example, the left table is connected to right table, but these things, so when we are showing the output of the left table, this thing will also be shown. So at that time, some entries which are left in the left table will be shown as null. So likewise, for the right table, some entries, so these entries will only be shown. So but it will be shown as null. So I'll show the example here. So then you will have an output. So yeah, you'll have a clarification on how it works with the tables. Uh, Okay, so here I have two tables. So as I mentioned the previous example of my database, so before connecting it, we have to mention the database name. Okay, so now the database connected. So it shows here in the table in the database available view. After this, yeah, now we'll get into the topic in a chart. Yeah, as I already mentioned in the diagrammatic view, inner join is all about see. So inner join is all about the common entities of the tables, but it doesn't show other entities which are apart from the intersection part. Okay, so yeah, so these are two tables. See here, so we have a customer ID. First one is customer table. This one is customer table, and this one is orders table. So we have connected with the keys. So this is a primary key of customer table, which is mentioned as foreign key in orders table. Okay. Okay. So now we get into the inner join concept. So select star from first we'll mention as customers. we need to do an alias name. Alias name will be customer. So see, you can mention as, or if you don't need, you can remove as. So it doesn't matter. I'll take the alias name. So enter. Now we have to select the other table. On. So after giving a join class with the table name, so we have to provide an alias name because we will be confused which table we have to use. So sometimes if we have a customers table, so if you are taking a copy of customer tables and connecting with joins and doing performance, so at that time we will face an issue. So what we have to do here is we have to give alias name, a unique alias name, so that we will be able to use it firstly. So on okay, so now for the customer table, what is the primary key ID? So c dot id equal to the orders o dot customer ID. So the ID is, I mean, primary key and foreign key. So these things to be equal. So now we want to mention condition where see. So this is how the join is work. These are the output of all. Okay. Okay. So now we have the customers table and the orders table. This is a customer table and this is orders table. So after combining it, 1, 2, 3, we have here, and 6 we don't have. 4, 5 we don't have as a common index. So it shows 1, 2, 3 alone. So see here. So this is the table of sorry, from this alone will take it as customers, and this thing we can take it as orders. So after combining it, shows the output of 1, 2, 3 entries alone, because these are the things which are in common. Okay. So likewise, joins works. In for inner joins, it works like this. Then so okay, now we get into left join. Just copying these select statement to show the differences. This is mandatory we have to mention every time. So for the explanation purposes, I'm pasting it. No need for any regular usage. So select start from. Also, I will copy this one. Okay, to this one. We'll change the name. Okay, so I want to mention here why I mentioned the filter here is like this thing doesn't need, even if you didn't mention those also, the output will be shown for the image. See. So just for the filter purpose, I mentioned this one. This is mandated to mention. So okay. So now we get into left join. For left join, it shows output like this. See here. So we have a customer table here, orders table here. So something, I mean, the diagram mentions. So left join will be shown, but things which are in the right join won't be shown. But we have a common entries when comparing left and right. So some common entries will be shown so along with the left table. Okay, so that thing happened here. So see here, so 1, 2, 3. These are the common entries that it will be shown, but 4, 5. So we don't have any 4, 5 entries here, so it will be shown as null. Okay, so these are the left join works. Okay, now we get into right join. Right join is the same as left join, but the right tables will be shown. Right table alone will be shown. Even if you have entries, so I will show the difference here. See, so now we have entries of 1, 2, 3, 6. Yes, because 1, 2, 3, 6 is there. I mean, the second table. What are the table you're mentioning after the right join? Will alone, I mean, those entries as a whole will be shown as an output. But when comparing with that, I mean, that table with the previous one for right join, when you were mentioning something, right? So that table entries, when comparing both the tables, the common entries will be shown, but the remaining entries will be neglected from customer's table. It will be vice versa for left join. Customer table entries will be shown completely. Customer will show the different here. So customer table entry will be shown and orders table entry will be shown. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 it will be shown, but 1, 2, 3. So these are common entries. This alone will be shown. Remaining remaining entries is not there. Six only one entry is there, but to show the as a whole of table of dimensions, for example, 5:8 sorry, 8 into 5. So 8 into sorry, 8 into 6. So the dimension part, so it shows the null here. There is no entries for 5. I mean, the entries is not there in the table. So the whole it is showing here. So right join it shows like this. See, based on the full table view, full table of the customer order table, it will be shown the remaining entries as null. Okay, so this is how inner join works. Left join, right join. Next, we're going to learn about full outer join. We copy the statements here. See here. So all the entries will be shown completely. For it will be combined based on the, based on the foreign key and primary key combinations. So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, but here we have 6. So as a whole, it will be shown as combining those primary keys. I mean primary and foreign key combinations. So based on that, all entries will be shown. It is not mandating every entries need to have a order ID or orders. Every primary foreign key of order, we don't have any entries in uh, customers table. So it is not mandated to have. But if you have the entries, it will be shown as completely in all the entries. If you don't have, so it will be shown as null. So this is how full outer join works. So usually you'll be using a left join mode. In rare cases, you'll be using full outer join. These are mandated to show. When we get into the real case scenarios, so when you are working majorly with left join or right join, so these things will be major comparing with full outer join. So it is not like we don't use a full outer join, but In some cases, we'll be using it to view entire table when combining it after combining two tables. So this is how inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join works. So if you have any doubt, please drop down in the comment section. So in the next class, I'll be teaching the remaining part. Thank you.